Whoa, I've been in the stew for the past few, I'm cooking. Been in the rules, bills is past due, so we jugging. Ain't gonna lose, gotta keep shit running, do what it do, running for this money.
Yeah. Hey. Listen. Went to Texas for a few days, wanted to scout out the properties. Looking like I want a lot.
Alright, these are the final results. Crispy. Sides edged up. I don't know if y'all can see it properly. Yeah. You can't get too much detail clipping yourself, you feel me? You feel me? Yeah. I don't know if y'all can see the back or not. That's up to y'all. Yeah, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all liked it. I hope y'all let me cut y'all hair and when I'm doing with y'all up in Delhi this fall to spring, summer. Yeah. I hope y'all let me cut y'all hair. You know, photography, barber, what's the word? I got ya. You feel me? Musician, all that. You feel me? I got ya. What's the word? I charge 10, but if it's your first time, I'll cut your hair for like 7. I got you, bro. Got you. What's the word? What's the word? What's up? What's up? You feel me? Yeah, but I think this came out very well. I'm just gonna put in some Shea Miracle, you feel me, because it maintains all this frizz and everything, you feel me? So I do a little collab of it with this breakage by Cream of Nature, you feel me? It's the leave-in conditioner, feel me? It has the pure honey and all that, you feel me? So it's very, and no sulfates, right? And it's all mineral oil and honey. Who doesn't like honey? Come on, let's get it, you feel me? So yeah, I do a little collab of them. But this pump right here be the blue. But that lets you know you don't need a lot though. Don't overdo it. Never overdo it, you feel me? Mix them together, you feel me? And then spread it throughout the hair.
I'm drowning.
And now your twist is valid and you can put it up in a bun and everything, you feel me? And then the twist down takeout, yo, it's about to get lit, man. It's about to be better than Brax Chat and KXD Sheldy. Let's get it. Feel me? And Nick Just Dope, I'm coming for you. Because, you know, my hair game is, your hair is longer than mine, but I take better care of my hair than you do. Let's get it. You feel me? Yeah, so this is True Line signing out, you feel me? I haven't been doing this for a while, this YouTube thing for a while, but I know there's some vets in the game that helped me get to where I am, you know, watching y'all videos and, you know, taking notes, you feel me? And I know I still need a new camera, better lens and all that, but I'm getting there, you feel me? So
this is what I love to do. I'ma bust a move.
Haircuts on lock.
Niggas got work to move.
I'ma be doing my own haircuts and my own hair.
This is what I love to do. I'ma
Charging to do my hair for what? You feel me? Yeah, so
this is what
I don't know. If I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'ma dye my hair. I'ma dye not all of my hair, just the ends. And y'all get to choose what color. So if we ever hit that number, you know what time it is. You feel me? Y'all get to go back and be like, yo, remember you said this, that, and third? Yo, I got y'all. Yeah, so this is Prince True Line signing out, you feel me? Yeah, let's get it.
Talk behind your back, they not a buck with you. Morals is all fuck, that's just what they do. Lawless, yeah, it's different rules. Put in work, but use different tools. I don't think you can fit these shoes. You won't find them even can't get these shoes. Grinding like a nigga needs some food. Shining like the diamonds in the jewels. Clarity, I be cutting through. Giving checks, then we running through. Grind it up again, what I love to do. Ain't do my biz like I'm supposed to do. Not bitch up and get emotional. Gotta go get it like I was old. Can't stop me when I'm in my mode. She's on my mind, I love her alone. Not to my pockets, I keep them swole. Talking that money that you can't fold. I run for the money like Usain Bolt. I keep it coming, you know I do. I cannot help it, it's what I do.
This is what I love to do. I'ma bust a move. Niggas got work to move. What I love to do. This is what I love to do. I'ma bust a move. Yeah, I love to move. This is what I love to do.